bag's heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't did it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stepping on this cross my shit. You'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this. I will not quit, man, I'm on it, honest. I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the line. Living under my prime, just quit my 9 to 5. I'm rocking, and they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my life. Wish I could slow down, just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Grab a profit, got the blocks and I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. Off topic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Get back, matter of fact, making racks where it's at. Had my back to the map, not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a back, so we act, no we act. No plans, nothing back, on my rap, not the stats. Throw it down, give a crap, we're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands, goddamn. I'm a bomb till I die, never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy, get denied, that I'm right, yeah.
Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. For the shows, how it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. Run, roll, here I go. All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. I really hate it, I just wanna make it. All this fake shit, living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real crime, passionate and real rhymes. Real time, man, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh.